If it belongs to me, I will not let fear fake it. There's come a moment in your life where almost is no longer enough. Start realizing you have potential. You have gifts, you have dreams, you have purpose. But they have been sleeping because you were busy. Busy working, busy surviving, busy being strong for everyone else. Then one day you wake up and say, enough. Enough waiting, enough doubting, enough shrinking your dreams just to stay comfortable. Because the doors that were meant for you, you're walking through them. The opportunities that belongs to you, you're reaching for them. The life God prepared for you. You're claiming it. No more sitting on the sidelines watching others build a life of freedom, time, and abundance. This time, you're showing up. You're taking action. You're becoming the person who wins. Not someday, not next time, but now. I'm coming for everything's that mine. If you feel this is in your soul, comment I'm ready or send me a message.